Hi guys, I am back with another tutorial on hair growth. Ginger is good for the treatment of dandruff, reduces scalp inflammation, stimulates hair growth, conditions the hair, minimizes hair damage, and makes the hair stronger. So peppermint oil stimulates the hair follicles, it promotes growth, and rebalances the scalp. Flaxseed oil provides nutrition for hair follicles because it's rich in fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids nourish hair follicles for healthy hair growth. The deficiency in omega-3 fatty acids can result in dry, brittle hair. It's also rich in protein and selenium, both of which are necessary for growing healthy, shiny hair. Coconut oil promotes the scalp health, fighting against such problems as insect bites, lice, and dandruff. Coconut oil moisturizes dry hair, adds luster, shine, and softness to the hair. It also prevents hair breakage and split ends, contributing to hair length. 1 scoop of the coconut oil. I didn't get any actual real ginger. I only have the powder, so I use the powder for this. 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon of the peppermint oil. You can mix it like this. Put it in the freezer, so I'm just letting it thaw a little before I mix it again. I mixed it earlier, but I wasn't ready to put it in my head. But I'm gonna mix it after it thaws a little, and then I'm gonna put it in my hair. So we're gonna see how it works, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. But subscribe to my channel for more content. I'm I'm gonna leave this on all day and see how it works. But I'm gonna use actual ginger next time because the powder got like everywhere. Like it's powder everywhere. It never dissolved. But it feels really good. My hair is like really, really tingly right now, so I love that. But other than that, I'm gonna leave this in all day and then I will see how I like it later on. So I'll be back.
Is it too hot? They don't.
So this is the result. This is like after a couple hours of putting it in. I mean, this is like cool, like for like a wash and go. I could like wear my hair out like this, so this is cool. And like I felt the tingle. Yeah, this is a good little mask, and my hair looks really good. So that's always a plus. But yeah. So tell me if you guys like this mask. I really liked it. I like the tingle. I still feel the tingle, so that's always really cool. If you like this video, like it, subscribe, and then comment below and tell me what you think.